Hey you guys, SEK the Homesteader here with a DIY, you guys. Okay, so a few months back we had purchased these 2x4s, and I'm thinking they were about maybe 10 feet long. And we actually purchased these to strengthen our greenhouse, which you guys already know the greenhouse got wiped out. So we never got to that DIY. So we had plans to improve the salad bar, grow table, and we decided, well, let's use this wood to improve the salad bar, grow table instead. And we began it today. And we also had leftover wood over here from the roof, and we were undecided on if we should use this for a project inside, because I had some great ideas that I could have did with this. I was actually thinking about doing a headboard with some foam and some beautiful fabric, and I wanted to experiment on Pentuck, and that's the craft in me. Miss Crafty, and I said this would make an awesome headboard, and I'm still thinking about it because I believe if this stay exposed too long, it's going to warp, and it won't give me the strength and the longevity that I would like for it to have using it outside. So I'm still thinking about doing exactly what I said, create a beautiful headboard out of this. And so the plan is to possibly do that. I think this will definitely give me more longevity inside than it would outside. So we actually ran out of wood, so my plan is to get a couple of more of these 2x4s so that I can finish off that area of the grow table. Now I'm thinking I need about, I think, 12 more boards, and this should be good. And it's coming out really nice. So my plan is to actually put some really nice tomato planter boxes that I have out there in the grow area on my right side where I did my daylilies last year. That is a very strong sturdy type of plastic. It may have resin in it, so I'm thinking about setting a couple of those up here so that I can grow my lettuce and also kind of protect it from the deers. So that is my plan. Now, these were, I mentioned this in the video probably about 2-3 years back, that these were some of the first raised beds that I did make using post and also these expensive treated wood. So this is holding up pretty good. I never got these into the yard, so I decided to use them as a grow table. So I'm thinking that once we finish both sides, this is gonna look really, really nice. Now, as far as the green grow bags, those went to Caputs. We empty out the soil into the left side of the raised bed area so that when I do put in my new galvanized raised beds, we will be making great use of that soil that was sitting up here with the grow bags. So what I did do was I took my citrus trees and I put them up on the deck because the deer's been wilding out, and y'all know my comeback kid, the Wari Satsuma, and my Nagami Kumquat, they came back strong, you guys. I'm gonna do a video on these citrus plants, because I'm telling you, they came back with vengeance. They like, I'm not going nowhere. They are so tall. And again, as he's going to attempt to get them in the ground, or I may be able to just leave them on the deck and kind of nurse them over the winter. It would be easy to actually cover them up with a blanket or put some type of plastic around them to keep them from getting decimated throughout the cold winter. And we may have a cold winter, I don't know, but I'm thinking that we're going to go right into fall. I don't think it's going to be a long summer like we usually go into summer in September, October, and I don't think that's gonna happen because the coolness is already coming in. That's why we was able to get so much done today, because it was just a wonderful breezy day. The sun wasn't beaming hot, you know, like that. So I'm trying to get as much work done so that my next growing season come spring will be a breeze. Again, I already told you guys all the changes I'm going to be making, and I'm looking forward to that because I believe that is going to make my homesteading journey a lot easier. I don't have to worry about in another 5 years changing out wood again. Those galvanized raised beds should last a pretty long time. And yeah, you guys, so this is what it's looking like, and I'm thinking I'll probably finish this project tomorrow. I have to unload my van and make room for the rest of the wood that I have to get. So this is what it's looking like, you guys, and I'm really happy with how this is turning out. And hopefully this wood will give me some longevity, because this is not a treated wood, but it'll give me some time. All right, you guys, so drop me a line, you guys. Give me some ideas on what you think about the OSB board. But look at it standing there. Wouldn't that be a wonderful headboard to use as a headboard? Oh man, and I have very beautiful upholstery fabric. I could do that, you guys. You can see what my son's saying, only you, Mom. But yeah, it can be an awesome headboard. All right, you guys, this is SEK the Homesteader, DIY in it. Y'all know how I do. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.